Yo, what is up, people? We all know Kling AI is the king of video, but running out of credits is a total nightmare. But I found a loophole to farm credits daily, completely for free. The secret is a specific strategy on the official website. Let me show you.
First, look at my balance. I'm setting on 141 credits. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to multiply this. Log out of your current account, hit sign in, then choose sign up for free. Now, here is the $1 million trick. Enter your real Gmail address, but add a single dot somewhere in the name. Google ignores the dot, so the code comes to your main inbox, but Kling thinks it's a totally new person. Check your main inbox, there's the code. Copy it, paste it back, and hit confirm. And boom, a fresh account with 166 daily credits. You can do this over and over by just moving the dot. Now, doing this manually is slow. If you want a strategy to generate tons of these emails automatically, check the link in the description and comment flaw if you want more hacks like this. Now let's delete that ugly watermark. Go to a site called EzRemove.ai. It is completely free. Click AI Remover, upload your video, and watch this. Just paint over the watermark area like this, hit the button, and give it a second to process. And just like that, gone. Completely clean video. If this saved you money, smash that subscribe button. See you in the next one.